Good morning, today it is week 9, it is the 25th of March 2024, it is Monday, it is 8:27 a.m. I got here like 2 minutes late, which is nothing. I couldn't find a car spot, so hopefully I would be here on time, but car parking is not good. Not good here. I don't know how late you come. So today we're going to come in, we're going to do our Heggies like normal, food break with a story. I shall get a story quickly now ready. And we're going to have our story and our fruit break, and we're gonna have our Heggies and our heart words. I've been going through our heart words, not all of them, just some of them each day after Heggies. Just flip through the heart words, and then we'll do our phonics. So this week is revision because it's testing week. Our data is due by Thursday on Central. It's really hard this time around because my literacy groups is much smaller and shorter. I've removed the whole activity, which is 10 minutes, so I was struggling back then, so I'm going to struggle more now. But I've asked for all the help I can get. They offered help, so I took everything because I just don't want to do it. Like, I don't mind testing, but sometimes kids pass levels and I've got to do another one with them, and like it takes a lot of my learning time up. So if I have people helping, I can teach more and then do less of testing, which is ideal. So we're going to have Heggies, cheer chants, no new sound because revision week. We'll look at, all I'm going to do for phonics revision is got a bunch of words matching all our sounds we've learned this week, or this term, and they're going to dot dash on them. So dot is for one letter makes one sound, and dash is for more than one letter that makes one sound, like a digraph or a trigraph. And then we're going to have literacy groups. The kids are going to do their fluency strips with their partner. Their partner A reads their strip, partner B reads, their partner A reads their book, partner B reads their book. And they're going to do this activity, long I words, just putting the letter in front of the right picture. Just so it's like phonics related and it's like revision. With the long I think 2 weeks ago, maybe 3. Okay, so I'm gonna, we're gonna have let's write. I'm gonna test in between these times if I can. Let's write, recess, or duty, art. I'll show you in a second what we're going to do for art. After recess, I've got someone coming to help me with testing. So I've put art there because I think I can also test in that time, and the kids can at noise level whisper voice. They can have a little chat but whisper, and they can get some artwork done. It's just Easter thing because it's Easter. This week it's only it's a 4-day week. Friday's Good Friday, but Thursday is literally Easter parade, Easter rotations. I'm going to try and squeeze let's write in there hopefully, or maybe an Easter hunt. Not sure yet. And then after lunch is assembly, stage assembly. So we'll see. After I'll show you our art quickly. We've got, first thing to do is the Easter baskets. They can colour it in and cut around. Yep, and colour it in, cut it around the shape. And then they finish that, they can do this one. I want to colour an example, but not enough time, so I'll quickly try to do this before they come. For about 9 minutes. Go into the bathroom normally, need to go. And if they finish that, I don't think so. I don't know what happened. I've got some spare colouring sheets I can do, different ones. But I think I'll get to that. I'm gonna get one of these out. We did this last one with paint. Did not like it. It did not come out nice. The colours were gross. Just didn't like it. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use all pastels to behind me. I'm gonna quickly put their papers in their literacy group tubs. These papers in their tubs. And that will be after. Let me get my assessing up. What's in my emails? I should totally check my emails. Oh my gosh. I hate Mondays because all the seesaw ones from all the classes, what's been happening each week is in my email. I hate it. It comes to my inbox, you know, my junk, so it's really like an overload. Hope I don't get everything else. Alright. That's nothing really important. I can read it later. Slides are ready. Alright, I'm gonna quickly go put this away. Just put the reading groups away. My lunch in the fridge. Go to the bathroom. Get this day on the go. I shall hopefully see you at lunchtime. Hey, so it's now 1:33. I'm taking my lunch. We've done our routine today. We've done all our stuff. But let's write. It was a bit rushed, but that's okay. Also trying to fit that in on Monday morning because I never used to do that. I should on literacy groups make us do more let's writes because the kids need help with their sentence writing. They're having a lot of trouble, some of them. We did our art after recess. We did a basket. This is gonna be our other craft, but this is our other one. I had it printed from last year, spare, so I thought let's do it this year. I think this is better though. Colouring the whole rabbit one colour and the background will be different. Just my examples. Okay, so yes, we did art. We did our baskets. They're basically all made. There's a few kids that are away, but they can just. I might give them to do it at home. If they don't do it and then they don't have one because I can't keep catching up when people are away. Because people are away, but no, they're not sick most times, just because they want to stay home. The people that are staying that are at home, and I can't keep catching them up when it's just not possible. So it goes home. They do it if they're sick, obviously, but and then you got most of the testing done, which is good. Good morning. So today it is Tuesday, is 8:36 a.m. It's the 2nd of April 2024. I quickly run to the toilet before the bell goes. So we had a public holiday for Easter, and Friday we had off because of the Good Friday, because of Easter. It was amazing to have a four-day weekend. I recommend it strongly. So today we're gonna come in, we're gonna do our fruit break, our story like normal. We're gonna do our Heggerty's and chitter chants. It was just working. Making sure our story is working. And we're going to do our phonics, which is going to be adding the suffix ing to our words. And then for literacy groups, we're going to do our adding to make drawing lines to the matching word and picture. We're going to do writing. I'm going to read a quick book. I'm going to read. It'd be the Great Rabbit Chase. We've already started talking about it, predicting what's going to happen. Then we're going to read it today. Then we're going to have recess, some tea time, maths, talking about doubles. What is the little games they can play? The 10s frame on the floor and match to the double. And then we're going to do our sport, which is touch football, if it doesn't rain. lunch, and then we're gonna do some art. Oh, I've let spell. We're gonna start our, I went scripture, sorry. Scripture and let's spell, that's wrong. Quickly change that. Yeah, so today's hectic because I haven't had my RFF last week because of the Good Friday. But I obviously do some work at home because if I did not, it would not have been a good week, let alone day. Yeah, I was going to the bathroom. After lunch we went to Let's Spell. We've already started this one last week. It's our OA. We didn't finish our third one. It's okay. That'll be for later today. Oh, I should also get in there. I'm going to the toilet and I don't know, go to the toilet, change my schedule. It's now 11:05. Oh, I thought my time is very still on my watch. It's not 11:05. It's 11:07. So I just went to I had some recess. I had an apple and some grapes. Went to the library to get a book I didn't have yet. I got the book Spoon for our lessons, for writing. And I think hanging the art book up for Easter. Going to print this out quickly for science. That same page is two-sided. For Thursday. On Thursday we have programming day, so I'm trying to print off stuff that the teacher will need. In a rough class, it's a hard day. It's work for the teacher. It's technically more work for us in a sense, but that's alright. Got these printed out and laminated. I didn't do it. TAT team did, which is extra office staff that do admin stuff, which is amazing. They're a godsend. Took off now for practice at home. I want to get a binder ring though with her to put on. So she can practice at home. It might not be big enough. I got those for her practice at home. She's struggling with some of her sounds. Her ringing's going a bit backwards. We're trying to get her back to where she was. We're going to come in and do our D time, recess. Might have wet weather, hopefully not. Okay. Look at the holes in these. The bell is going. Get masked off. I don't like having all this open. It kills me. Close that. Alright. Close that. I hate having stuff open my computer. It does my head in. Just writing an email asking the TAT team if of them have ordered binder rings so I can borrow one of theirs because these are quite small. But we'll see. I'm going to quickly finish my email, go get my kids, and we're going to do DR, and we're going to do our writing, we're going to read our book, and then we're going to hopefully finish our writing, do maths, and do some sport, hopefully. I quickly mark some work too. I'll do that while I'm doing DR. Alright, I'll see you later.